Hi guys, I'm Ullas. Today I'm gonna show you how to link Excel file into MS Word. First we need to go to the Insert option. After that go to the Object menu bar. Now click on Object option. Then click the Create from File option. After that select the link to file. Now we need to go to the Browse option to insert the Excel file which we want to link the Excel file with MS Word. Now select your Excel file to double click. Then press OK. Now we can see that the Excel file tabulation sheet appear here. When we click on the tabulation sheet, that time it will display the exact Excel file. That means it link up with this Excel file into MS Word. Now I want to link up another Excel file. That time we need to again go to the Insert option, then go to the Object menu bar. Now click on Object option. Now click on the Create from File option. Select the Link to File option. Now we need to go to the Browse option to insert the Excel file. Now click on the second Excel file. Then press OK. Here we can see that the another Excel file also appear here. When we click on the second Excel file tabulation sheet, it will display the second Excel file, which means it also link up the exact Excel file with MS Word. Hope so after watching this tutorial you can able to insert and link up the Excel file into MS Word. Now practice on your computer and consider a like if it works. Finally, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.